Assalamualaikum, we are from SEPADU MEWAH BERHAD. Our company was established in April 2003. SEPADU MEWAH BERHAD aim to be nationally admired property and project developer. We are passionate in developing property with the best performance by emphasizing on quality and cost, and we strive to become the national and prestige property development company. This is our board of directors. The title of our project is the proposed development of manufacturing facility for medical device in Pulau, Indah, Selangor. We plan to build a blood bag factory that will be known and registered as MED Solution. The main reason we come up with this product is because nowadays, blood bag is fundamental for worldwide blood supply through standard blood donation program, and at the same time, they possess high market and demand across the globe. The manufacturing facility will be built on 20 acres of land in Pulau Indah, with the total floor area of 58,513 meters squared. It will be equipped with various facilities. The total estimated GDC is 126,851,640 ringgit. Meanwhile, the total of GDP is 393,114,331 ringgit. Therefore, the ROI of MED Solution will be around 400.84%, and that speaks on a good and profitable investment. The project that we propose is located in Pulau Indah, Selangor. It will be built on 20 acres of land with swampy area that consists of mangrove at lot 169436. The neighborhood sites are currently an undeveloped area, and the topography for this site is flat and less hilly. This site has been gazetted as industrial area by the Selangor government. The major land use components within the 5-kilometer radius of the project site include medium and large industries, water body, forest, commercial and residential area. The site is far from housing and educational institution area. That means we can reduce environmental impact to the surrounding. Also, our project site is located near to Westport area, so we can cut costs for export transportation. Our proposed site is located at a strategic location where our company can easily get the materials from our suppliers such as IBS Concrete Panels Manufacturing Sunderland Berhad. The project site is generally flat and located at the northern shoreline of Pulau Indah. The site orientation will help during the design stage, where we can fully utilize the availability of solar energy and at the same time reduce energy consumption by providing natural lighting. Wind direction will influence the building design, including weather tightness detailing, entry location, size and placement of windows, selection of roof and wall cladding, bracing requirement, and provision of shelter in outdoor spaces. Population density in Klang for 2019 is 1,648 people per kilometer, and annual population growth rate is 1.5%. Thus, it shows that the usage of blood bags will increase when population rate also increase every year. There are three components of our SWOT analysis, which are site location, material, as well as competitors and population. The site location is located in industrial area, near to a river which can cause water pollution, increase job opportunities and the economy, but somehow it is located at a new development area. For the material, we use IBS to reduce time, however, the cost for transportation will be expensive. Our factory will have the opportunity to try new type of material, but the arrival of the material will be much longer. For the competitors and population, it can attract the occupants, but there are many competitors for medical device manufacturer. The workers will be able to have the chance to explore the site, but there will be many competitors at the new development area. Based on 3 precedent studies, there are many elements that we implemented into our factory. First, Eleventh Malaysia Berhad. Our factory implement an operation and maintenance section, glass panel, minimalist concept, car park area, cafeteria, R&D laboratories, and facilities infrastructure. Next, Kawasumi Laboratories. We implement administration and support facilities, production section, multi-purpose hall, observation room, green area, and solar panel. Lastly, CY Medical Co. Limited. We implement warehouse and storage, gowning room, R&D laboratories, and green area. For SOA, the total estimated gross floor area is 58,513 meters squared. Meanwhile, total building cost is RM94,267,000. The development of MED solution manufacturing facility consists of few buildings. The buildings are divided into 4 zones, which are Zone A, Zone B, Zone C, and Zone D. In addition, we propose 2 in and out road access for our manufacturing facility. Firstly, the private road access works as a private route for staff and lorries to get to the operational area and shown in the diagram with red dashes line. Secondly, the public road access as a connecting route or pathway for staff and visitors to the accessible public area, and they are shown in the diagram with yellow dashes line. Bubble diagram shows the arrangement of the building. It also shows the functional area to develop an architectural plan. Now, this is our overall project perspective. The concept idea only focused on the main building, which is the factory. The design of this main building was inspired from the shape of an anchor. This concept is chosen because it resembles Port Klang as one of the most important parts in Pulau Indah and has been regarded as the gateway of Malaysia and thus contribute to Pulau Indah's significant identity. Next, minimalist concept refer to simplicity in design in order to serve overall function. It has been designed as all-in-one. We use basic geometric forms, elements without decoration, simple materials, and the repetition of structure for this main building. We also implement the modern building concept because we wanted to create positive impacts on our climate and natural environment. Thus, our factory will use solar panels, glass wall, and metal cladding for the material. There are 4 elevations for the main building, which are the front, back, right, and left elevation. MED Solution chose to use modern and minimalist concept to create simple and stylish manufacturing facility. It is characterized by simplicity and clear lines with the use of monochromatic colors. Besides that, the usage of blue and green at public area will provide calm and relaxed environment. And to make the space appear larger, white colors are preferred because it has a good reflector of light. The blood bags are commonly made from plastic materials and PVC. Their manufacturing process includes compounding, extrusion, molding, welding, solution, sterilization, and inspection for contamination. In conclusion, since our site is located near to the gateway of Malaysia and is known as one of the busiest ports in Malaysia, SEPADU MEWAH BERHAD decided to choose the shape of an anchor as the inspiration for our main building, which is the MED Solution Blood Bag Factory. SEPADU MEWAH BERHAD have high hopes for this design proposal and for this project to run smoothly in the future. Moreover, this project will cost around RM200 million, which it will be equipped with various facilities. SEPADU MEWAH BERHAD also hopes that this project will give a lot of benefits to people, especially in the medical industry, where they can get their supply of blood bags easily in the future.